Open GarageBand program your recorder. Make sure that triangle mark after the record mark is inactive. Click the project icon. From the right hand, click on plus mark. Choose the section A, then click automatic and turn it off. Change manual from 8 to 30 seconds. Then click on the black screen to show the timer. Click on spiral mark. Choose file, then choose browse item from the file app. Choose the saved song that was already downloaded from the YouTube, for example. Click and drag the song to the black screen. From the top screen, click on first mark like triangle. Click on My Songs. Choose the song by long press while showing new list, then click on Share. Choose ringtone and you can rename the song. After that, the song can be found on iPhone, setting sounds. Go to ringtone, you will find the song there. Just choose the new ringtone and enjoy.